to be multiplying 0.12 by 0.31, or 1200ths by 3100ths. Because I don't have whole numbers and I don't have tenths here, I am going to have to use an array or an area model. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a box, and I'm going to create the left side of that box is going to be the distance of 0.12, or one strip and two tinies. So I'm going to make that one strip, 0.1, and two tinies, each 0.01. Across the top, I'm going to create the length of 3100ths. So 3 strips and one tiny. And then I'm going to go ahead and complete the box. So I'm going to draw in all my lines so that I can fill in the area of the rectangles that I'm drawing. And so the answer of 0.12 times 3.1 is the area of this box inside here, right? Area is length times width. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out the area of each individual box, and then I'm going to add them all together. So if I take this larger square here is 1/10 by 1/10, 1/10 times 1/10 is 1/100th, or 0.01. So each of these three are 0.01. Then my long rectangles are all 0.01 by 0.1. So a 10th times 100, 10th times 100, if you need to use the fractions, please do so, comes out to be 0.01. So each of these is 0.01. In addition, that one along the side over there on the right is also a 10th by 100th. So that one is also 0.00. And then these two little rectangles over here in the bottom right corner, those are a 100th by 100, or a 10,000th, 0.0001. And just to be able to visualize this a little bit better, I am going to shade it. So I am going to shade my big squares, this tealish color, just to keep myself a little bit organized. This part is totally optional, but I do think it completes the picture a little bit better. I'm going to make this bottom section reddish. My other bar over there yellow. And the two in the bottom corner will be dark blue. And that way, when I go to add everything up, I can kind of color coordinate. So I am adding up all of these sections. So my teal section is going to be 0.01, and I've got 3 of those, so that's 0.03. My red section are 6 rectangles that are 0.001 or 0.006. My yellow is just a single 0.001. And those blue ones, I have 2 of them at 0.0001, so that's 0.0002. And then I'm just going to add them up. So if I add them up, I have 2, 7, 3, 0, decimal place. And so the answer to 0.12 times 0.31 is going to be 0.0372. And that's our area model.